Hello, wonderful learners, and welcome back to our magical world of numbers. Are you ready for an exciting adventure today? We're going to unlock the secrets of multiplication, and by the end of our journey, you'll be a multiplication superstar. It's going to be so much fun. Grab your thinking caps, and let's get started. First up, let's tackle the 2 times table. This one is super easy because it's just like counting in twos or doubling a number. Let's say it together. Look here on the board. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 10 is 20. Fantastic, you see. It's just adding to each time. Let's do it once more, a little faster. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Great job, everyone. Now, are you ready for the 3 times table? It's just as fun. It's like hopping 3 steps at a time on a number line. Let's give it a try together. Follow along with me. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 10 is 30. You are doing brilliantly. Did you notice a pattern? 3, 6, 9, 12. We're just adding 3 every single time. Let's practice that one more time. Say it with me. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Awesome. Let's keep the momentum going with the 4 times table. This one is double the 2 times table. If you know your twos, you're halfway there. Let's explore it together. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 10 is 40. Wow, you're getting the hang of this so quickly. Look at the numbers. 4, 8, 12, 16. It's all about adding 4. Can we say it again, all together? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 28, 32, 36, 40. You're a math whiz. Okay, get ready for a super special one, the 5 times table. This might be the easiest of them all. Every answer ends in either a 5 or a 0. How cool is that? Let's try it out. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. See what I mean? 5, 10, 15, 20. It's like counting the minutes on a clock. Let's high-five our way through it one more time. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Spectacular, we're halfway there. Now for the 6 times table. This one builds on what we already know. It's just double the 3 times table. Let's power through it. You've got this. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 8 is 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 10 is 60. Excellent work. The numbers get a little bigger, but the pattern is the same. We are just adding 6 each time. Let's chant it together to help it stick in our minds. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. You're amazing. Next up, the 7 times table. Some people think this one is tricky, but we're going to master it together. Let's take a deep breath and focus. Here we go. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 10 is 70. You did it. That wasn't so hard, was it? Practice makes perfect, so let's say it one more time with confidence. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Absolutely wonderful. Now let's roll into the 8 times table. If you know your 4 times table, you can just double the answers. It's like a secret math superpower. Let's unleash it. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 9 is 72. 8 times 10 is 80. You are unstoppable. See the pattern? 8, 16, 24. We're just adding 8. Let's lock it in our brains by saying it loud and proud. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. You're a rock star. We are so close to the finish line. Here comes the 9 times table. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 10 is 90. Isn't that incredible? Math is full of amazing patterns. Let's say the 9 south one more time, thinking about that cool trick. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Perfect. And here we are at our final table for today, the 10 times table. This is the victory lap. It's the easiest of them all. You just add a 0 to the number you are multiplying by. Let's finish strong. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 3 is 30. 10 times 4 is 40. 10 times 5 is 50. 10 times 6 is 60. 10 times 7 is 70. 10 times 8 is 80. 10 times 9 is 90. 10 times 10 is 100. Hooray, you did it! You have officially learned all the multiplication tables from 2 to 10. I am so incredibly proud of you. Remember, the key is to keep practicing. You can watch this video anytime you need a refresher. Thank you so much for learning with me today. You were absolutely fantastic. If you had fun and want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. We'll see you next time for another fun learning adventure. Bye for now.